Finally, we ask that you keep in mind the following rules and regulations during your visit today. Number 1, photography or videography is not allowed inside any of the buildings, including the Mandir. Number 2, commercial photography is prohibited throughout the entire campus. Photography for personal memories may be taken outside of the buildings in designated areas. Number 3, backpacks and large bags are prohibited inside of the Mandir. Number 4, please follow the signs posted outside of the Mandir regarding footwear, electronics, food and drinks, and restrooms. We hope you enjoy the BAPS Mandir in Chino Hills and are available to answer any questions or comments you may have. Jay Swaminathan. Welcome to the BAPS Sri Swaminarayan Mandir. Established in 1907, BAPS is a worldwide religious and civic organization dedicated to the spirituality of individuals while promoting harmony between individuals, within families, and within diverse communities. Understanding that the synergy created from development at the individual level leads to greater societal growth, BAPS provides for the spiritual, cultural, physical, and emotional needs of people from all walks of life. BAPS also serves the spiritual needs of families throughout North America, focusing on family unity, child development, cultural heritage, and humanitarian service. Founded on the pillars of practical spirituality, BAPS reaches out far and wide to address the spiritual, moral, and social challenges and issues we face in our world. With over 1,000 sadhus and 55,000 volunteers, the organization helps 3,850 communities around the world through its various humanitarian services and grassroots initiatives. Through these efforts, BAPS sustains the universal value of Hindu culture, encouraging devotion to God by imbibing such faith in all aspects of life. His Holiness Pramukh Swami Maharaj, the former leader of BAPS, expressed this spiritual precept in a single phrase: "In the joy of others lies our own." Today, BAPS members derive inspiration from the life of his successor, His Holiness Mahant Swami Maharaj, the current spiritual leader of BAPS. Mahant Swami Maharaj serves as a spiritual light for BAPS's global following through his saintly virtues, spiritual wisdom, and personal example. During your visit today, you will have an opportunity to view a cornerstone of the organization, the breathtaking traditional stone Mandir. Hand-carved from pink sandstone, the Mandir here in Chino Hills is a place of worship, learning, celebration, beauty, community, charity, and peace. For an in-depth tour of the Mandir, we ask that you utilize the self-guided audio tour units that are available in our souvenir shop. Before you proceed to the Mandir, take a moment to gaze at the beautiful hand-carved Burmese teak wood around you. This building, known as the Haveli, is a welcome center that serves as a reminder of the ancient traditions used to greet and salute visitors. As you walk toward the Mandir, you will have an opportunity to view the lotus-shaped water feature located directly in front of the Mandir. After viewing the beautifully hand-carved marble inside the Mandir, you may visit the interactive exhibition located underneath in the Mandir. Before you complete your visit today, take a few moments to visit the Shayona Cafe and treat yourself to traditional Indian sweets and snacks. Finally, we ask that you keep in mind the following rules and regulations during your visit today. Number 1, photography or